It started in a workshop, a curious place, an engineer at work, steady in his space. Richard James was the name, with the spring in his hand. Little did he know it would travel the land. He dropped that spring, it wobbled and fell down to the floor. It danced so well, a twist of fate, a joyful surprise. A toy was born right before his eyes. Slinky, Slinky, watch it go down on the stairs in a rhythmic flow. A simple spring, but it's so much more, bringing smiles from shore to shore to shore. From the factory lines to the store display, the Slinky made its debut that day. $1 a piece, the kids lined up for a toy that bounces, twists, and jumps. It's more than a spring, it's a magical thing, sliding and gliding, it makes hearts sing. What started as an accident became a delight. Slinky's magic still feels so right. Slinky, Slinky, watch it go down the stairs in a rhythmic flow. A timeless toy loved through the years, bringing laughter and joyful cheers. From living rooms to playgrounds wide, Slinky's traveled far and he stood the tide. An invention so simple yet full of fun, it's captured the hearts of everyone. Slinky, Slinky,